Hello and welcome to WebDevMentors YouTube channel, and you're watching Programming in Java series for beginners. So in this video we're going to see about operators in Java. Operators are nothing but manipulators. So they manipulate variables in Java. There are different types of operators. There are 5 major types of operators in Java that we're going to see. There are arithmetic operators, relational operators, bitwise operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. But in these, there are only 4 operators that you'll be using more often. There are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and assignment operators. So when it comes to bitwise operators, if you're a complex user or want to do some complex functions, you will go to bitwise operators. So arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to do basic mathematical arithmetic operations. So they include addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, increment, and decrement. So when it comes to addition, you're going to add 2 values. Subtraction also does the same. Subtract 2 values where you will be subtracting the value at the right side to the value at the left side. The multiplication, as usual, will give you multiplicated value of both the values that you've given, and division will divide the number with the value at the right side of the symbol. Modulus will give you the remainder value of the division process. Increment plus plus operator is going to increment the value by 1, and the decrement minus minus is going to decrement the value by 1. So the next set of operators are relational operators. So there are different sets of relational operators that you can find. They are equal to, which is going to check whether 2 values are equal, and there is not equal to, that is exclamation and equal to, which is going to check if 2 values are not equal, and then greater than symbol is used to check if the value at the left side is greater than the value on the right side, and less than is going to check if the value of the left side is less than the value on the right side, and the greater than or equal to is going to check if the value on the left side is greater than or equal to the right side value, and less than or equal to is going to check if the value in the left side is less than or equal to the value on the right side. So the next set of operators are bitwise operators. So bitwise operators are a little bit complex to actually explain and also understand without a practical implementation. So the binary AND operator is going to copy the bits, which is going to be the binary value. For example, you might see a number is expressed in terms of binary 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. So something like that. So if you have 2 variables and you compare the variables with the binary AND operator, it's going to copy the bits that exists in both. So if the bit is set as 1 in both the values or both the variables, it's going to get copied to the value or the variable that you're going to assign. So in binary OR operator, what it's going to do is it's going to copy the bit if it exists in either one of the operands or variables. And binary XOR operator is going to actually copy the bit if it is set in one operand but not in both. What happens is that if the bit is set in one of the variables and is not set in the other variable, then it is copied. But if it is set on both the variables, then it will not be copied. So in binary one complement, what it's going to do is that it's going to flip the bits. What happens is that if there is a 0 in your bit, it's going to flip it to 1. And for 1, it's going to flip it to 0. It's going to reverse the value in the bits. And binary left shift operator is going to some shifting operations that you can find in the Java. So what it's going to do is that it's going to move the value to the left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. So in the right shift operator, the left operand is moved to the right by the number of bits specified in the right operand. So it's a bit complicated to understand, and the shift right zero fill operator is going to do is that it's going to shift the values to the right side by the number of bits specified on the right operand and shift values or fields up with zeros. So we need to see the practical implementation in order to understand this. And the next set of operators are logical operators. Logical AND operator, which is nothing but and, is used to check if both the conditions are true. So both the conditions in the sense that the condition on the left side of the operator and also on the right side of the operator are true. And logical OR operator is used to check if either one of the conditions are true. If either one of the 2 conditions that is present on the left and right side of the logical OR operator, it's going to say it as a true. So it can be used in the if condition loops, and logical NOT operator is just going to reverse the state of the condition. So if you are getting true, it's going to reverse it to false. And if you're getting false, it's going to reverse it to true. So the next set of operators are assignment operators. Assignment operators is having a huge set of operators. So it starts with equal to, it's just nothing but you're going to assign some value to a variable. And add and assign, which is plus equal to, is going to add the value and assign it to the same variable. So if it is like a plus equal to b, is nothing but a is equal to a plus b. So you're going to add the value of b to a and assign it to a. Subtract and assign is pretty much same as add and assign. It's going to subtract the value that you're giving and save it on the same variable. Multiply and assign is also pretty much same, where a star is equal to b is nothing but a is equal to a star b. Divide and assign will divide the value from the variable and assign it to the same variable. And modulus and assign is going to take the modulus of the variable with the value that has been given and assign it to the same variable. Left shift and assign is going to shift the numbers to the left to the number of bits specified on the right side operand, and it's going to assign it to the same variable. And right shift and assign is going to shift the bit to the right side, the number of bits specified on the right operand, and assign it to the same variable. Bitwise AND is going to check the bits that has been set in both the variables and assign it to the same variable specified on the left side. Bitwise inclusive OR and assign is going to do is that it's going to copy the bits that are assigned at least in one of the variables and assign it to the same variable that is on the left side. And that's the end of the video where we have seen a lot of operators in Java. Well, thank you for watching this video, and I hope this was useful. And if you find this video useful, please hit the like button, and also please share the video to your friends. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. There are a lot of videos coming in. And if you have any comments or suggestions or feedbacks, please feel free to share it. And you can share that in the comment section and also in the Facebook, Google Plus, or Twitter feeds of our channel. You can also contact me personally through the social links I have shared in the description section of this video. And thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.